It's running traffic.
What lap is John on?
230 laps, even in first, right now.
Whoa! Whoa! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're doing F1A main. I'll be starting in P3.
With 4 people.
So this is my first time racing the F1 with the fixed steering rack.
Okay, hold on guys, I gotta fix the track.
So I have more steering than I did at the GFX race. Still on the LM pod. Whoops. Whoops. I hit the brakes, it ended up being full reverse.
I don't like this. There's gonna be a lot of broken things.
It's not good for business.
I've been still giving away free replacement parts.
It's like defusing the bomb.
Chris, you're second.
Okay.
Get ready to break shit,
Yeah.
Crosser.
First turn, it's gonna be chaos.
Whoa! Slow on the tone. Oh, sorry.
I took it later.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good. I can see your body clip.
Oh, I can't turn that sharp.
You gotta turn your jewelry like.
Drop tile. Yeah.
I did.
Once your tire's wearing, you'll be able to turn a lot sharper.
I'm also on box stock knuckles. Oh.
Oh, Lord.
I mean, go to you, yeah. No. Good.
We're 130 in, Lauren in front, over Chris, Steven, John, Nick, and Mike. John has the last lap, Mike, Nick. Everybody's almost on the same lap.
Yeah, that was neat.
Been up in the
Oh, sorry. Oh, I got stuck. Whoa!
Coming from the bottom, now we're here.
3 minutes left.
Oh, yeah.
Steven up front now. Oh my Lord, Chris, Nick, John.
Oh, I fell on the last.
A lot of circling going on.
Yeah, there is. Not last anymore.
230 laps, Steven in first, Chris now.
Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy.
Chris is down.
Whoa! Whoa! Go, 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 go! Just go. Whoa!
Clear.
If you're gonna wait for someone, wait in the corner. Anywhere on the track, really.
But there.
That's our leader coming through the yellow.
Mark it on the 8-backs, right?
That's right.
One 145 left. 145.
It's running traffic.
What lap is John on? I haven't seen him in a while, so.
Is Lauren, are Lauren and I on?
Chris is on the same line. Quarter lot line. Chris has my lap is on my place. Chris is all on the move.
Whoa! Ah! Ah!
45 seconds. Steven, Chris, Lauren, John, Nick, Mike. Steven put down a 5-5.
I took a corner so perfect, but I couldn't see where my car was.
Ah! Oh no! All that work, I gave it back.
Whoa. Oh, another fin bites to us.
5 seconds left.
Woo.
We only broke one thing.
Holy!
That's impressive.
Wow, good battles.
That was good.
Oh, yeah.
Bad with 6.
No, that was good.
Not too bad.
In the end, you were one lap up on me that whole time. I thought we were in a battle. Well, it shows you got one more than me. So, but yeah. Yeah. Anyway, that was really fun.
I knew at the beginning I got up on quite a few people.
Oh yeah,
I didn't know how far.
I went from third to last on corner one. I blew that start for everyone.
I went from
And then-
first to last.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was really awesome. Yeah, that was really fun. Awesome, really close contact racing, and yeah, really cool.
That's what's
Right.
fun about these.
Yeah, for
the
sure.
way that they
It's
can
so
handle people
close.
can do cleaner passes.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so close too.
Yeah, that's really cool.
How far, well,
Yeah.
All right, guys, enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you're new here. Subscribe. You want to talk to me? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah.